parotid gland. Sits on the masseter muscle. Parotid gland. Okay? Submandibular gland. Submandibular gland. You can see it under here too, submandibular. Submandibular. Sublingual gland. That's not the tongue. That's a sublingual gland. Okay. Pancreas we went through already. Head, body, tail, main pancreatic duct, accessory pancreatic duct. Liver. The book does it this way. This here is called the falciform ligament, and they would call this the left lobe and this the right. That's not technically right. We're going to keep it that way though, because your book does it that way. Okay. This falciform ligament right here attaches to the anterior abdominal wall. So if you're laying down, your liver's like this, your abdominal wall's like this, and so that ligament attaches between here and the abdominal wall, and it travels out to your umbilicus. So your umbilicus would be about right here. And so that ligament comes out. And at the base of that, which this white line represents, is the round ligament. That was your umbilical vein that was bringing blood in. It's now a ligament. So that's why it comes from the umbilicus all the way through here. And at the base of that would be this round ligament that was that was open and bypassed the liver in the fetal circulation, and now closes. Hepatic veins, hepatic artery. That you can call that the same thing as hepatic proper artery. Hepatic portal vein. So feeding the liver, we looked at this before, so this is review, is this blue vein that has unoxygenated blood and fresh and nutrients that came from the bowel where you absorbed all kinds of nutrients, and that's your hepatic portal vein. The artery sitting right next to it was part of that hepatic artery proper, which would be the same as the hepatic artery there, okay? So hepatic artery or hepatic artery proper, okay? Same thing here. This gray would be hepatic portal vein. This red would be hepatic artery proper or hepatic artery. Okay? And now the blood's going to percolate through the liver, and I'm going to show you how that happens in a minute. But it all collects to drain the liver by the hepatic veins, and this is the only place you see that. It drains in that inferior vena cava, so this is hepatic vein. So don't mix hepatic veins with hepatic arteries or hepatic portal vein. Okay. The right and left hepatic ducts, I showed that to you. That's what's draining the bile out of the liver. So there's the right and left hepatic ducts. They then form the hepatic duct proper. It then goes to form the common bile duct. Okay. Liver model. Liver model. Let me kind of make a drawing here so you understand what I'm going to show.